When your life depends on timing, you can't trust just any watch. In this video, we're diving into the elite tactical watches of 2025. Rugged, reliable, and trusted by special forces, Navy SEALs, and elite operatives around the world. Whether you're facing the harshest wilderness, a battlefield, or just want a timepiece that won't quit under pressure, these watches deliver military-grade performance you can count on. From shock-proof durability to GPS navigation and stealth mode features, these are the ultimate tools on your wrist. Let's gear up and explore the toughest tactical watches every serious man should consider in 2025. Number 10. Timex Expedition Atlantis T5K463. The Timex Expedition Atlantis T5K463 is a nostalgic nod to rugged, reliable timekeeping, embodying the essence of a tactical watch for the budget-conscious adventurer. With its 40mm durable resin case, this digital watch weighs a mere 30 green, making it an unobtrusive companion for outdoor missions or daily wear. Its quartz movement ensures precision, with an accuracy of within a dozen seconds per month, ideal for those who demand reliability in challenging environments. The watch boasts 100 meters of water resistance, suitable for swimming or light diving, and features Timex's iconic Indiglo backlight for excellent low-light visibility. The 4-button interface, Indiglo Alarm On Set mode, is intuitive, though the buttons may require some initial effort to press. The green-tinted LCD display offers oversized numerals for quick readability, evoking a retro aesthetic that resonates with watch enthusiasts born in the 1980s. The soft silicone strap, with its vented pattern and adjustable fit, ensures comfort without attracting dust, unlike some competitors. While it lacks advanced features like GPS or solar power, its utilitarian simplicity makes it a favorite for those who value function over flash. Number 9. Casio F91W. The Casio F91W is the epitome of minimalist tactical utility, a watch that has earned its place as a cult classic among military personnel and everyday carry enthusiasts. Its 34mm resin case, weighing just 20.5 gr, offers a feather-light feel that you'll barely notice on your wrist until you need it. Powered by a reliable quartz module, this watch delivers essential functions like a chronograph, alarm, calendar, and hourly chime with unmatched simplicity. The LED backlight, though modest, provides sufficient illumination for quick glances in low-light conditions. With 30 meters of water resistance, it's not built for diving but handles rain and splashes with ease. The soft resin strap ensures a comfortable, universal fit, while the tactile buttons offer satisfying feedback. Its unpretentious design prioritizes utility over aesthetics, making it a go-to for those who need a dependable, no-frills timepiece. The F91W's legendary durability and affordability, often found for under $30, make it a staple in gear bags worldwide. Its straightforward interface and long battery life, up to 7 years, ensure it's always ready, whether you're navigating the urban jungle or surviving in the wild. Number 8. Luminox Navy SEAL Color Mark 3051. Designed with input from the U.S. Navy SEALs, the Luminox Navy SEAL Color Mark 3051 is a tactical powerhouse built for extreme conditions. Its 45mm Carbonox case, a proprietary carbon fiber compound, offers lightweight durability, weighing just 2.5 Oz, perfect for operators who need a watch that can withstand harsh environments without adding bulk. The Swiss quartz movement ensures precision, while the 200mm water resistance makes it ideal for diving or wet operations. The watch's standout feature is Luminox's self-powered illumination, with tritium gas tubes that glow for up to 25 years without external light, ensuring legibility in total darkness. The navy blue dial with bright yellow accents on the hands and unidirectional bezel enhances readability at a glance. A hardened mineral crystal with anti-reflective coating adds scratch resistance, and the genuine rubber strap is built for rugged use on land, sea, or air. The date window at 3 o'clock adds practical utility. While its tactical styling may feel over-engineered for casual wear, its SEAL-endorsed pedigree makes it a top choice for professionals. Priced around $284, it offers exceptional value for a mil-spec watch. Number 7. MWC P656 Titanium Tactical Series. The MWC P656 Titanium Tactical Series is a purpose-built tactical watch engineered for those who need lightweight durability without sacrificing functionality. Its 42mm titanium case, paired with a rotating titanium bezel, keeps the weight at just 2.2 oz, making it one of the lightest tactical watches available. The Swiss Quartz movement offers reliable timekeeping, while the 200-meter water resistance ensures it's ready for diving or wet environments. Swiss tritium inlays on the hour markers and hands provide constant illumination for up to 25 years, ideal for low-light operations. The minimalistic dial prioritizes legibility, and the nylon strap enhances comfort for extended wear. However, some units may have a slightly loose bezel, which could be a quality control issue. Priced around $400, the P656 offers excellent value, balancing premium materials with tactical utility. Its titanium construction resists corrosion and wear, making it perfect for harsh conditions, from desert deployments to maritime missions. The watch's understated design avoids flashy aesthetics, appealing to those who prioritize performance over showmanship. While it lacks smartwatch features, its simplicity and robustness make it a favorite among tactical purists. Number 6. Luminox Navy Seal 3502. The Luminox Navy Seal 3502 is a Swiss-made tactical dive watch crafted for the elite U.S. Navy SEALs, blending rugged functionality with cutting-edge materials. Its 45mm Carbonox case and bezel, made from a proprietary carbon fiber compound, ensure lightweight durability, weighing just 2.6 oz. Powered by a precise quartz movement, it offers 200-meter water resistance, making it a go-to for diving or amphibious operations. The watch features a tempered mineral crystal with anti-reflective coating and a stainless steel caseback for added toughness. Luminox's self-powered illumination using tritium gas tubes guarantees visibility for up to 25 years, even in complete darkness. The date window at 3 o'clock and unidirectional rotating bezel enhance its utility for tactical missions. The genuine rubber strap is designed for comfort and durability in extreme conditions. Priced around $400, the 3502 delivers exceptional value for a watch engineered for one of the world's most elite fighting forces. Its bold design and seal-endorsed reliability make it ideal for military personnel, first responders, or outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Seiko Prospex Arni SNJ025. The Seiko Prospex Arni SNJ025 is a modern revival of the iconic hybrid dive watch worn by Arnold Schwarzenegger in Predator, blending vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. Its 47.8mm stainless steel case houses a solar-powered Caliber H8521 quartz movement, offering a 6-month power reserve after a full charge, eliminating the need for battery replacements. With 200-meter water resistance, it's built for diving, while the LumiBrite hands and markers ensure exceptional low-light visibility. The unidirectional rotating bezel features a compass function, allowing users in the northern hemisphere to approximate south by aligning the hour hand with the sun, a handy feature for outdoor navigation. The black dial and silicone strap exude tactical style, while the 53.8mm lug-to-lug width ensures a bold wrist presence. Priced around $500, the Arni offers premium features at a mid-range price, making it a favorite among watch enthusiasts and adventurers. Its robust construction and solar power make it ideal for thru-hiking, diving, or tactical operations. While its size may not suit smaller wrists, its durability, legibility, and Hollywood pedigree make it a standout choice for those seeking a versatile, high-performance tactical watch that's ready for any mission. Number 4. Suunto Core Alpha Stealth. The Suunto Core Alpha Stealth is a tactical smartwatch designed for operators who need advanced functionality in a rugged package. Its 49.5mm composite case is lightweight yet durable, tested to MIL STD 810 standards for heat, cold, shock, and dust resistance. Powered by a smartwatch movement, it features a barometer, altimeter, and highly accurate compass, making it a top choice for navigation in the wilderness. The red backlight ensures low-light readability without compromising stealth, while the 30mm water resistance suits light water exposure. The 5-button interface is intuitive, allowing easy access to weather functions, fitness tracking, and more. Priced around $290, it's an affordable alternative to pricier tactical smartwatches like Garmin's. The nylon strap enhances comfort for extended missions, and its Finnish engineering reflects Suunto's legacy of precision compasses. While it lacks advanced GPS features, its robust build and navigation tools make it ideal for search and rescue teams, hikers, or military personnel. The Core Alpha. Stealth's blend of smart features and battle-ready durability ensures it performs in the harshest conditions, from dense forests to urban jungles, making it a reliable companion for data-driven adventurers. Number 3, Casio G-Shock 8CR Stainless Steel Solar. The Casio G-Shock 8CR is a solar-powered titan in the world of tactical watches, combining stainless steel durability with Casio's legendary toughness. Its 47mm case, blending resin and stainless steel, is shock-resistant and water-resistant to 200mm, making it suitable for diving, military operations, or extreme outdoor activities. The tough solar movement harnesses light for power, ensuring the watch stays operational without battery changes. Features include world time, stopwatch, countdown timer, and 5 daily alarms, all accessible via a user-friendly interface. The multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping syncs with radio signals for unparalleled accuracy. The stainless steel bezel and mineral crystal add durability, while the resin strap ensures comfort during extended wear. Priced around $300, the 8CR offers premium features at a mid-range price, making it a favorite among armed forces and law enforcement. Its rugged design and solar reliability make it ideal for those who need a watch that can endure any environment without fail. While it lacks smartwatch capabilities like GPS, its robust build and versatile functions make it a top choice for tactical enthusiasts seeking a balance of style, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Number 2. Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. The Garmin Instinct 2 Solar is a tactical smartwatch that blends advanced technology with solar-powered efficiency, designed for adventurers and operators who demand more than just timekeeping. Its 45mm fiber-reinforced polymer case is lightweight yet rugged, meeting MIL STD 810 standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance, 100 ms. The solar-powered battery extends runtime indefinitely with sufficient sunlight, making it ideal for long missions. Features include GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo navigation, heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, and a 3-axis compass, perfect for outdoor navigation. The monochrome display ensures readability in bright sunlight, and the silicone strap offers comfort for all-day wear. Priced around $400, it offers exceptional value for a feature-packed tactical smartwatch. Its fitness tracking and smart notifications cater to both tactical and everyday use, while the Instinct 2's rugged aesthetic appeals to military personnel and outdoor enthusiasts. While it may lack the analog charm of traditional watches, its smart capabilities and near-infinite battery life make it a top contender for those navigating challenging terrains or urban operations, ensuring reliability and precision in any scenario. Number 1. Garmin Instinct 2X Solar. Topping the list, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is the ultimate tactical smartwatch for 2025, offering unmatched durability and advanced features for elite operators and adventurers. Its 50mm fiber-reinforced polymer case is built to MIL STD 810 standards, with 100-meter water resistance and a solar-powered battery that provides unlimited runtime in optimal conditions. The larger display enhances readability, while GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo navigation, paired with a 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter, ensure precise orientation in any environment. Additional features include heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a built-in flashlight, ideal for low-light operations. The Instinct 2X's rugged silicone strap ensures comfort during extended missions, and its smart notifications keep users connected. Priced around $450, it's a premium investment for those needing cutting-edge technology in a tough package. Its larger size may not suit smaller wrists, but its comprehensive feature set and solar reliability make it a favorite among military personnel, first responders, and outdoor enthusiasts. The Instinct 2X Solar is the pinnacle of tactical timekeeping, offering unmatched versatility and resilience for the most demanding missions. Whether you're prepping for the unexpected or just want a watch that can take a beating and still perform, these elite tactical watches have you covered. Designed for the toughest missions and trusted by those who operate in the shadows, these timepieces aren't just accessories, they're survival tools. If one of these made your wish list, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our next drop on the world's toughest gear. Stay sharp. Stay ready. We'll see you in the next one.